The life-size imagery of a 2x2 video wall using 4 smaller individual displays requires construction of rear mounting, adjustment, calibration, and cabling, all of which is time-consuming, labor-intensive, and repetitive. Mount, calibrate, and connect a single PNR 903 in less time and with less equipment, consuming less energy than a typical 2x2 video wall, further reducing cost and resources. And most importantly, no inner seams. The new PNR 903 90-inch class professional LCD display from Sharp.